Coronavirus has challenged the world in a ways never seen before. In Somalia, we have 3 reported cases of coronavirus so far, and we have since taken all necessary measures and policy actions to combat and mitigate these effects and impact. I welcome the development of IGAD regional strategy to combat and mitigate this health pandemic. I also encourage the urgent establishment of a mechanism through which our regional medical experts, led by the ministries of health and public health agencies, can communicate, share information, coordinate regional efforts in this war against coronavirus. These knowledge-based actions and their clinical and public health interventions are key to saving lives of our brotherly